A well-written sales email starts with a great prompt. Before asking AI to draft an email, you need to be clear about what you want it to accomplish. Here's how to build an effective email prompt step by step. First, define the goal. Are you reaching out to a new lead, following up, or closing a deal? What action do you want them to take? Reply, schedule a meeting, or sign a contract? Next, identify the audience. Is this email going to a new prospect, a past customer, or a decision maker? The tone should match, friendly, formal, or direct. Then, include key details. Start with an attention-grabbing opening, highlight the value of your offer, personalize it with something relevant to the recipient, and end with a clear call to action. Now try this prompt. Write a concise, professional follow-up email to a Lexus customer who test drove an RX 350. Thank them for their visit, highlight a key feature they liked, and invite them to schedule another visit to discuss financing options. Keep it under 200 words. In seconds, AI will generate a draft you can tweak. If you need adjustments, just say, make it more conversational, or keep it under 150 words. Now it's your turn.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.